Hey guys, today I will show you the Dollar Tree fun finds that I found today. I was so excited for today because yesterday I was just so excited because I was able to get 10 things, but one of them it's one of the llama stickers that I got. I put them somewhere else because whenever it's my birthday, I'm going to show you my birthday surprise. It's not going to be a surprise, but I'm going to show you how good my birthday was, and it's llama themed. So I just had to get those stickers. So I went to Dollar Tree and got 10 things, but in the bag there's only 9. I have scissors to cut any hard packaging, and then let's begin. First, I was really impressed that they had these Barbie breakfast set for only $1. And these are at Dollar General, they might be, but they're not $1. So I was so surprised to find this. And it comes with a tray, a plate of eggs, waffles, and then there's honey, a cup, and a vase. In Walmart, it's like $3, something like that. And I was so surprised to find this. So, let's open it. So, we of course can't open this with our hands, or else it would hurt our hands. Of course, whenever I was at Walmart, I had to wear a mask. I'm at Dollar Tree. I had to wear a mask because of the COVID-19. So stay home, and if you do go to a store, you have to wear a mask. So it comes with the tray, and the waffles have this. I don't know what it's called, but you can put it on the tray. And then there's honey, which is really cute. You can kind of see that it's a little bear. So we could put that on our waffle here. And then there's a plate of eggs that you can put on. There is a cup of coffee or water, or milk or anything, so I'll put that there. And then we have the vase, which you can put flowers, or you could put water in it, and you could put it there. And you could since this is so small, you could get away with turning it into a vase. Let's put them on the tray. And now, on Mother's Day, you can give your mother breakfast in bed. That's what it would be in real life. And then we're gonna open the next thing. Don't forget to throw your trash away. The next thing was the fingerlings. I was so impressed to find these. They had surprises. And plus, they're only $1. So surprised. And then this one was Series 3. And also at the corner, you can see that I got 2 fingerlings at Kohl's for only, I think it was like 50 cents. I don't know, but I think you'll find it out in the corner. Yeah, it was for clearance, which I was so amazed. So, let's open up the fingerlings. I think we got something very cool. We got a dragon. So, let's get the rest of the stuff out. So, this is a music note. This is a vine, which is also a bracelet. Put your charm on your bracelet. which will be very cool. And then this looks cool too. And then look, before we check in the collector's guide, look what you can do. Put it on your pencil. That is very cute. Like, I love this color of the dragon, and it has little stars on its forehead. And plus, it's glittery. You can kind of see it sparkle. Let's see if we got common, rare, popular, or ultra rare. Here are the popular ones. No dragons. Wow, I love dragons, especially the Komodo dragons. So, and this one is really cool too, Jewel, but let's see. It looks like we have a rare. So as you can see, we got Tucker, and I'm so happy that we got a rare. And then there's also the legendary. So we got the vine, and then we also got the music note charm, and it is pink. So let's put our trash away and open up the next surprise. So let's put the pencil away, but the scissors stay here. Put all the toys there. The next thing that I got was this couch. It's a hot pink, and then I thought it would be perfect to get it for $1 for dolls. It can be Barbie dolls, and I was so happy. And I only got it for $1, so that was so awesome. So it's just really cool. Let's see the next thing. The next thing was this Barbie Skipper Baby Scissors ink for only $1. Wow. And it was probably like $3 or $5 at Walmart. So we're going to open it. And there was also another kind. There was a blonde hair baby with a pink bottle, I think. This one's kind of like a red, purple, maroon. So now we open. I think it could be easier if we open it by hand. No, we have to cut it. Then we take it out, which is kind of hard. I ripped it. Okay, so I got it out in some way. So here's a little baby. Let's get it out. And then, by the way, my mom's family is from Indonesia. And then, this was made in Indonesia. So now, we can cut the baby bottle things. And then there's its little baby bottle. And you can move its arms and legs and head. Not head. Now it's got its baby bottle. And last but not least, its blankie. Now it can sleep and drink. Next thing. And I just heard some news will be part 2. Okay? So here's what we got. We got the Skipper Babysitters Ink Baby. Very cute. We got the Fingerlings Minis. Very cute. We got the Breakfast in Bed set. And then we got the couch. How about she has breakfast with her little baby? And then the baby will have a toy. That's very cute. Thank you guys for watching. We will do a part 2 with the next 4 items. So it will be really awesome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to share. And if you share this video, she will be happy. Yes, I will. So, bye, and don't forget to watch part 2. Bye, guys.